Kanti eLimpopo, Tiphatsimandla detekthutha disebenta ngekutikhandla kuqinisekisa kuphepha emigwacweni. Sevele kunalabo aboshiwe kulomkhankaso wekuphepha emigwacweni kulamaholide ephasika. Kunebashayeli sebathola netincwadi tenhlawulo ngekungahloniphi umthetho wemigwaqo. Lesifundza ngeminyaka siye silindzele ukuthi kube nebantu labaningi labangenela umgwaqo kulamaholide. Labanye bashayeli kanye nebagibeli bakujabulele kubonakala kwamaphoyisa kulomgwaqo ngebuningi kulamaholide.
From deep salute, we say, yeah, the police are doing their job.
It's been quiet compared to last year. I think, yeah, it's better this year.
Way much helpful to us, because if the vehicle has been tested, and then definitely you'll know if your vehicle is not roadworthy or unroadworthy.
Umphathiswa welitiko letekthutha kulesifundza Mabungwe Rule Ramakhanya uthi sevele emengemumo emakhamela lathwebula timoto letihamba ngelitubani lelisetulu kakhulu kulomgwaqo qinisekisa kulandzelwa umthetho.
From where we are, just after Carousel to any other roads, we are going to be mending the roads with cameras, so that then we use cameras to check the speed, because people would like to argue that it was not me driving that speed. So we are going to also be using cameras with our traffic officials. We are also going to be in the spots where you don't know us, because I know you know which tree. We are going to find the traffic officials. We are saying they are going to change spot. Where you think you will find us, you will not be able to know.
Northwest lelidolobha laseRustenburg ngelinye lemadolobha leliphitsitelako betemthetho benda konke lekusemandleni kuqinisekisa kuphepha kulembelasondlo njengengcenye yemikhankaso yetekuphepha. Bashayeli bayexwayisa ngelihlelo kulahlekelwa amaphuzu ngekwephula imithetho yemigwaqo lekuyinto lengenda kube likhuni kuvuselela tincosi tabo tekushayela.
We basically here with these road blocks to ensure that all our visitors from Joburg, from all different areas, they pass Rustenburg, they arrive home safely to ensure that everybody is alive and safe.